Hello, my name's Alex Rain. I'm with the Louisiana Tech Engineering Department in Engineering 122 in Ms. DeLeo's class. I'm here to present my motorcycle alarm system. Most vehicles on the road today are cars that already have alarm systems, so if your car's ever dinged, you'll know. Most motorcycles, though, are just left to dust. This is where my alarm system comes in. When the bike falls over, this device will sense the gyroscopic movement of the bike falling over and send a pulse out through the horn and take pictures of the crime in the act. For demonstration purposes, I took the battery out of the motorcycle and I'm going to demonstrate this on the ground. So when this device knocks over to the side, as it would in a motorcycle fall, the horn is noticeably going to go off, and then a camera would usually be taking pictures. I couldn't find a place to mount that, and I couldn't get the wiring diagram for my specific camera online, so I'm not going to be showing that today. So when this device flips over, you're going to hear so the horn is also set on a timer. It will go off for about 15 minutes, then stop. This is so if you're out of town, your bike gets knocked over, the device just won't go off for however long the batteries last, which is a long time. So in theory, you would also use rechargeable batteries, and the rechargeable batteries would be set to go on whenever the bike turns off. So this means that when you're driving down the road, the batteries actually recharge off the rectifier off the motorcycle using the cranking amps of the engine to power it. And then when the motorcycle turns off, the Arduino detects that the motorcycle is off and actually turns the device on. This allows you to actually, if you're driving down the road and you get in a motorcycle wreck, the horn doesn't go off and you're not worried about turning it off during a dangerous event. The actual power given to the relay is given off 18 volts due to these 9-volt batteries plugged in series here. Now I had to use 18 volts because these transistors actually act as massive resistors. So coming out of the relay, this bigger relay, it wasn't able to actually power over and click on the coil of the relay to power up the leads going to the horn. Now, the switch actually works off this gyroscopic sensor here on the back. When the device tips over, it completes the circuit and sends voltage over to analog pin 7. Analog pin 7 detects and tells analog pin 10 to turn on the relay. So I find that this is a pretty cheap system that allows most motorcyclists to have some form of protection on their bikes. Most motorcycle alarms are usually up to the $300–400 range, when this one could easily be under $50 with smaller speakers and smaller voltage sources, and it allows the use of the device to stay on the bike at all times. You don't need to remove it to recharge it ever. It does everything on its own. You never have to worry about it. It's always going to work, and everything is easily changeable.